Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will discuss about the topic of real estate, what makes home for. To be home, it needs it feel comfortable, like a place you belong to and are at the peace with. A house may be decorated with the nicest furnishing money can buy that would not necessarily make it a home. The feeling of home cannot be bought. It's an intimate relationship we have with the personal space we live in. What is a core type of house? Development. The possible growing core house is defined as a small unit or permanent structure that can be extended into large house. The core house system can be based on structure, architectural, and economic ideas. The structural system of the core house can be developed from two main construction methods. What is block 4 house called? Cottage flat or cottage flats, also known as a 4 in block flats, are a style of housing common in Scotland where there are single floor dwelling at the ground level and similar dwelling on the floor above. What are the properties that can make money? Commercial properties are considered as one of the best real estate investment because of their potential for higher cash flow. If you decide to invest in commercial property, you can enjoy the attractive benefits, high income potential, longer lease, which are given on leases. Where is the real estate the most successful in America, US, California, and Orlando, Florida, Georgia, where are $2,89,900 and $4,100 and $3,50,000 are listing prices mainly. So guys, this was the basics types of real estate topic. We will discuss more about in the next video. Still, you can follow and subscribe my channel so that my every video may reach you. Thank you for subscribing and watching.